All right, this is Runi Calmera in Island Wealth Channel. Today I want to talk to you about one of the biggest mistakes that people make when they're trying to build wealth. If you are a project manager and you want to build wealth with a team, then this episode will be for you. Okay, what is the problem? What is the biggest problem? The biggest problem is that people are using Excel spreadsheets when they want to manage a team. Imagine you are building wealth and you want to manage a remote team or a local team, etc. And you're struggling to deliver results, you're struggling to launch your business, you're struggling to complete that project, you're struggling to have results. But what is the reason? What is the mistake you're making? The mistake you're making is that you are using spreadsheets to coordinate that team. You are using spreadsheets, while spreadsheets are things built to calculate. So I use spreadsheets, but I use spreadsheets to calculate, to run scenarios, to run simulations, etc. But I don't use spreadsheets to manage my projects. Now, why is it? Why is it that it's the biggest mistake that you should drop spreadsheets when you're managing your projects while you're building wealth on an island? Because one, a spreadsheet doesn't have communication. It doesn't communicate. It doesn't let your team communicate with each other. A spreadsheet doesn't have great ways to create your dashboards. Of course, yes, you can create pivot tables and everything, but a spreadsheet doesn't have dynamically graphs that tell you where you are. A spreadsheet doesn't help you with the workflow. Imagine there is a project and the project starts, but now the project is in another phase. The project is in execution, or the project is delivered. Excel or a spreadsheet doesn't help you with that. Now I'm going to give you in this episode what I'm using, and I'm going to share my screen right now. And when I share that screen, you see, when I share that screen, you probably will see this tool that I'm using. It's called Monday, and if you click on one of the links that I'm going to give you at the end of this episode, then I'm going to have a small commission. I'm going to receive a small commission to support the channel. But if you wait, if you stay till the end of this episode, you as the Island Wealth community are going to get a unique way to get this tool, to get this system, to get this system that you can exactly see what I'm using. Now let me go through it a little bit. So what do you see here? What do you see here? You see here that unlike spreadsheets, all these items here are items that each one of them is a task. And here you see project management task, so this is a big task. But down here I have ideas to grow sales. I have affiliate marketing, completely different brackets of information for my project. This is a general big project, business year 2023. And I'm working with 2024, of course. But here you see what kind of items you can see. So you see this is a task, and in this task you see, first of it, the status of this task. Easily I can change the status into done or not, open. Let's change that. You see, I change the status. I can change the status into stock. I can change this into done. You see the data. Spreadsheets don't help you with this. I can just click in there and select a date. Select the date that this should be done. Now let me select the date in the future, and let me make it open, and immediately you see this item is open. You can have different things. You can monitor the time. So a spreadsheet doesn't help your team to monitor the time. How much cost is this freelancer costing you? How much time did this person bill you? A spreadsheet doesn't help you immediately with that. I can just click in here and start recording the time. Do you want me to start recording the time? I want to record my time right now to show you. Let me start recording. Click back. I'm starting recording right now. You see? It's starting to record. So while I'm doing this task, I'm recording and I'm seeing exactly the time. When you are running a project, you're building wealth, you need to monitor the costs. So this is helping you monitor the cost. Spreadsheet doesn't do that. You can see the progress. You can see which week. You can see anything in here. The deadline. I can add all kind of other fields to this. But the most important one, let me show you. The most important one is this, your dashboards. So look at this that the spreadsheet doesn't give you. Look at this. Let me see. I'm going to show you. Just look at this. This is a dashboard for you as senior project manager, business owner, wealth builder, program manager. You see here right away all kind of dashboards, and this dashboard is right on the tables, main tables with all the tasks, all the projects. I manage like 15 projects at the same time for different groups, for different remote teams. I could be very efficiently doing this. And I'm doing this for a time already. So you see here all kind of dashboards where it is showing. What else? I could be looking at a calendar view. Let's look at a calendar view. What are these tasks and how are they in the time? So you see here, a spreadsheet doesn't help you to do this. If you want cards, you want to see all those projects, the tasks in a different card. You want to see the status. And the most important thing is the communication, like I said. Now I'm going to go here and I'm going to create some communication with my team right now. So suppose I'm starting here a conversation and I'm saying, hey, do you want to take a look at this? Do it a little bit there for you. And I could drop in anybody in there in my team. And then I could update it. This is the communication that you don't get. So when you see here, you see immediately that there is some communication with a team. It could be a virtual assistant from the Philippines. It could be anybody in my team in the Netherlands, anywhere in the world, and they are communicating about this. So that is a way to look at it. Now, let me go back. So I'm going back, and I want to give you something, because today is my birthday, and I want to give you, Island community, a unique way to get this and try this for 2 weeks for free. Now, once you click on this link that I'm going to show you, then you can sign up. I will receive a small commission if you get paid after 2 weeks. If you start paying for this tool, I will receive a small commission to support this channel. But for 2 weeks, you can get this tool. You can get this system, and it's a work operating system. It's called Monday, and I'm going to give you a link right now to show you how you can get this. This link is especially for the Island Wealth channel community. So let me go to my Canva and let me share my screen. So are you seeing this? Yes, you are seeing this. So how does it work? https try.monday.com/island wealth. Let me make this a little bit smaller for you. So that's it. https try.monday.com/island wealth. And when you click here, you will go to monday.com. That is the work operating system, the system where I manage my workflow, where I automate my workflow. And then this is a unique project management code and link, free 14 days trial for the Island Wealth community. And if you are a program manager, if you are a project manager, then you can use this link. It's for free. And tell me, communicate with me, comment with me. How is this going to help you with realizing your projects? Okay, this is an affiliate link, so I will get an affiliate commission if you, after 2 weeks, you decide to get a subscription of this tool. Now, I'm going to end this session right now. Going to end this session. So what is it? Apart from that tool, apart from that framework that I'm using, the system that I'm using, the work operating system that I'm using, and that I'm training my customers and my high senior managers, VIP clients, I'm training them using this system and automating for them. But right now, for the Island Wealth channel, program managers, project managers building their business, that's the link. So now, if you like this episode, of course, like it, subscribe to this channel, share this to more people on island nations, and of course, you can join our community. You can join our community for free and receive Island Wealth building tips. If you're building wealth beyond the Island Wealth channel. So I'm going to, if you click on bit.ly/Island Wealth, if this is your first time, you already know it by now. If this is your 10th time on this channel, you know this is another link that I always post. That is bit.ly/Island Wealth, and you will see a form. On that form, you just put your name, your email, and your island, and you will get on my list. And in that list, I sometimes give more information beyond these episodes, because these episodes are only 10 minutes, 14 minutes long, and beyond this episode, I might send you some email with more information how you can build wealth living on an island. That's it for this time. Stay put, keep building your wealth. This was Rooney Calmera, and see you next week around the same time.